Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Warno error code 4. The error reads, "Failed to join game room." As per our research, the error comes when players try to join multiplayer games. Many players shared that they are unable to join any multiplayer lobby and consistently receive this error. According to our research, this error mainly comes when something is blocking Steam from accessing the internet. Most likely, this could be your firewall. In some cases, network or server issues can also lead to this error. The first thing you should check is your firewall settings. The error may occur if your firewall is blocking Steam from accessing the internet. So make sure Steam has proper access under your firewall settings. Then check for the error again. If the error still comes, then power cycle your router along with your gaming device. Simply turn them off and disconnect from the power source. Then wait for around 5 minutes, then restart them and check if the error still appears. If the issue persists, then try switching to a mobile hotspot. Some users were able to bypass the error this way, so you can also give it a try. If a mobile hotspot doesn't help, then try using a VPN. Some users have shared that connecting through a VPN helped them resolve the issue. So, if you have access to a VPN, give this a try and see if this helps. At last, if nothing helps, then the issue may be server-side. In this case, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.